Hey, it's Robin. Today's video I'll be showing you how to achieve this bomb voluminous tight curls using flexi rods. Now y'all, I have never used flexi rods, so I was just winging it in this video, but if you want to see how I achieve this look, continue watching. Now first you're going to need your hair, obviously, and then you're going to need some mousse. I don't think it matters what kind of mousse. Spray bottle full of water, and then your flexi rods. I used 3 different sizes. I don't think it really matters. I think you should use different sizes anyway, just to get like different volumes and different curl patterns. But here I'm spraying down the hair, making it drenched. I think it works better when the hair is wet first instead of doing it dry then wet. I've seen it somewhere that someone did it dry first and then wet it. I started with curly hair. You'll get the best results starting with wavy or curly hair. Body wave or straight, I think the curl wouldn't hold as good. The purpose of the mousse is to get it to hold. I mean, you can do it with just water. I'm not sure how it would look with just water, but I know with mousse and water, it would hold a curl because the mousse that I used, it gets not like hard, but you can tell that it's set. Now when putting the hair on the rod, like wrapping it around, I do it 2 different ways. One way is to just wrap it around just like that, and then the other way is going from the bottom up. Now this gets super repetitive. You see how I did the first 4? I'm just gonna speed this up now. let this dry overnight only because I didn't have a hair dryer to sit under or to let the wig sit under. So I just let it sit overnight, and now I am just taking it out.
Knockout. You win.
Alright, now I am taking my argan oil treatment. This helps prevent frizz and it smells really good. So what I'm doing now is just taking my hands and finger combing it through. I was trying to go for a bang look because bangs are really cute with curls, but obviously it wasn't really working out for me. I mean, it did for a moment, but I wasn't really feeling it like that, so eventually I just took it all down. You can just see in my face that I really wasn't feeling it. So I kind of just took everything down and just started playing with all the parts. See what I really liked the most. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun for me to do. The curls were just so pretty. I couldn't stop touching them. But I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.